Your useless emoji. With your useless agbokosun. Enyenyenye. Mona libini. Wari otesan. Go Esan land. Libini. Asum with the grace. With the checker. Bro, stock. Agbe one more.
Baba, you know they follow all those people.
Guys,
who saying strong? Make it come. Now so that one they throw man that one. Me, I know they wrong. Me, my original name na Nosa Ogbe. Find me come at this spin here. Shebi you want die, you will come. Don't be waiting.
Small boys. They make mouth. If you see for real, if you check out, they create. If you see for real, if you stand at my front, as if you see for grand. When I make you as when you ask for clear. May I move your wow. If I slap you, you're the penalty no loss. You the grace. This dirty thing. You they talk about me.
Calm down.
Are you the para? Yeah, you got panic.
Calm down.
If I don't change this topic, if I change this topic now, enter Esan.
I want to distract you.
Day to day. If I change this topic now, enter
Ekpenede, not they look messy. They look messy. Not they look messy like that.
I know, but this thing you are doing right now, this topic, they want to distract you from it. Another day we go give it some people.
They go. I don't like una.
They fair attention. They are just attention
Exactly.
attention seeker here. E dove ma gbelesa. Na makaya tebe. Ijo ni mama. What's here?
Random.
So, yeah. So as I was saying, Don Prince, I'll be waiting that they call you. Don Mugu, or whatever you call yourself. All these things you did today that me I witnessed with my 2 eyes, you are going to regret it. Everything you said today, they are all recorded. All the nonsense you were spilling out from your mouth. You understand? They are all recorded. And you are going to where Don Mugu. I never knew where you are empty upstairs. We were empty. Your illiteracy, now the stark one, now pushing me, all working. And you claim to be learned. All we are learned. You cannot even pronounce learned. You can't tell learned, and you say you are learned, you are vast. When nobody see having nonsense now, so when you collect it, go there will be job. Or when I do keep platform, when I vomit rubbish, who were don't enemy. Now I mean I no tire, I record there. I keep away. More, I keep away. And having nonsense in where doing all this nonsense you are doing, you are creating problem, mayhem for your parents back home. If you don't know. These people, most of them, they are not Beninese. They just speak Benin and we just take them where, yes, now we just take them, they are Benin. They are not Beninese. They are not Benin, a real competent Benin man or woman.
That name Bobo, now big name for upper. That name Bobo. To see you don't know Bobo for upper, nothing. It is hard. Now you're the misbehave for social media, so. Now big name for
now they misbehave so. Now they misbehave so. You don't go collect money for job people. Now you call social media, you can't rant, you can't talk nonsense, can't talk jargons. You go everything when you talk today, you will regret them. No worry. You hear? Now that one say me I talk for now. What we say?
Come on, Baba Wesley. The next person will be that Bella. Whatever. Bella, you there?
I'm here. Good afternoon, everyone. I don't want to talk too much. I just want to say something. One thing I've always known Ijaw people for is for violence. The violence they do in Edo State, they are influencing our youth. That is why they need to go It's not even they should go leave the water side and move beside the town. No. They should pack their bag and baggages and go. The violence happening in the Edo state, inside Edo, the politicians using them, they pay these people to be covering their evil doings. And the worst part is that they will drag our Edo youth alongside with them. They are bad influence. If you want to look at the rig election, if you want to look how they mobilize people for abuse, is Ijo. You go and meet Ijo people, now their hand is full. So they should leave our Edo state. If now they are not claiming that gele that everybody has known from the back in the days, that gele is literally the oldest seaport in West Africa. If not be say wetin spoil, they not supposed even go around that area. No talk let's see the one called they claim rights in and they get her. Like how? And one thing about us is that we are too friendly. That's the advantage these people have been using against us. We are too friendly. When they say host, we are host friendly. We are welcoming people. We welcome our tribe. We don't hate. But why is it that when we now welcome them into our community, we will welcome them into our home, they will now want to come and settle? Not only settle, they will want to overthrow us. They will want to overthrow us. You will see this other, I don't want to mention tribe. If they come, first thing when they go, they do that to the fair Edo women when they want to settle down with. Do you know what that means? First thing when they go do, not to fair Edo woman will go born for them. That be the first thing. Now, these people from Ijo, they don't tell when they be new. This land that they are claiming, is because they've been there for so long. Some of them don't even they buy land. Community they sell and give them. If not be say that get evil plan, why be say nice bush that they reside? Because that's how they cover their evil doings. They cover their criminal activities. That is why. So let us be wise. If we want to pursue them, not be made them come up for inside water.
Madam, let them say you people are not friendly. Friendly for waiting. Okay, make I carry my power here. Can't give you. Make can't give you a B.
Because they are too
friendly.
violent.
Friendly rich. So now they get insult. So not friendly rich.
No.
Madam, let them say you do well. Oh, carry your power.
We're not friendly to anybody. We're not friendly again.
So,
no, we're not friendly.
I don't talk my own.
We're not friendly rich.
Not friendly again.
I agree to that.
Not friendly. Now make the call the poor for their papa head. Now make a cookie them.
Always friendly.
Friendly.
Insult the palace argument. We are be friendly. The friendly men, your people are now insulting the palace. Now insulting our people. Calling our people names. We are not friendly. I beg next person, I beg.
I'm your only friend. I'm your only friend.
I next Ivani. I think proud single mother. No, because she first you I think so. Proud single mother, Reva.
Oh, sorry.
I give your 5 minutes. Like one here, mommy. Talk.
Egbini na interrupt baba. You can't bear money if you address someone. Wala wo. Any ya contribute umana the right thing to say.
Okay, Bella. Okay.
Instead, why do I complicate issue with social media? Please and please. Okay, ateme ijo. Eme contribution contribute any contribute. Or can be more other tribe by. Na Egbina on a mafo. Why they give a chance to other people ni have do involved? Mana. A lady no ya gwan baba. It might it's you.
They know what because I'm not here well.
Oh where if you a robo no re go. Okay. Not do a drag.
Oga make it stand. Oga make example.
There is nothing like this.
I'm not here.
There is not Mr. Honorable. Lagume finish a minute.
I understand you, mama. Understand you.
Okay,
Understand.
Get through.
Me man, that woman.
Me man, no. Let's say it the way it is. Please, I interject, man. Please.
Listen, I have to finish. Okay, just leave her.
There is nothing like to make example of it at all because you give room to the enemies. Natave Vazagba. So secondly, also it might easy. I'm sorry, interject because of all those things. Secondly, Tony Kabaka. I know everyone is so in shock. No, they may not me for long. Oma they shocking him because Tony Kabaka again no keke no ya ladian is again in a picking ya ladian where the nearest battleground is Edo State is Bini. Again you keke ni ya ladian Oma ladian again because o me ni benefit way. So him coming out now, although tell me now, why get baluwa because okay no bema. You know the enemy within. So okay can my way cannot stand it. I want my dear Beladian Ivo. Devin Magahu. And another thing again, mani viedzo ma accommodate be. I will no matter de friendly. It's good to be friendly, but there is a limit. Even if you are married to in which have any tribe at all, put your Edo first. Your Edo first. Your Edo first is very, 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 very important. Adogeni yana no sununa. If you do or you be involved in way. So we just have to be very, very, very careful. Because amagien no giyo di ri if you do patakinia. Or you have a donate that make you to be a do. The point is, are you ready to say the truth? No, yeah. That's the problem now. The other guy no remanania. The other guy no make a statement about wawasa any revani. Many ya celebrate right here. All because of money. Where them muwa at all. Where them muwa. I'm sorry, thank you for giving me the chance.
Okay, thank you, Mama. Wesley. Okay, we know Taba or Timaba. I don't go lie you. Maybe Tima pay attention, so I didn't hear that part. So but maybe later I'll do correct. I think she's at the top now, but later I'll say, okay, she will debunk
I
that.
give example.
Okay, it's okay. There's no problem there.
Thank you.
Maybe when I contribute to no so and so now no okay can attack I do tie in a very wrong way. But meanwhile, I had not young
thank you.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that. The next person now should be, is it Omox 24? I don't know. Omox 27, I think 24.
Omo.
Yeah.
No road one.
Okay, Crown. A Crown, you know, Abi? Crown,
exactly, Wadomo.
Okay. Now, my brother.
Domo.
With voicing, I don't tell. We are here.
You are all.
Don't see.
Why are Domo? You know, Matana.
Enjoy that beauty, Baba Domo, sir. That's my brother.
A Matana is when a Matana Kabo Iriobolile, no, because if you jo where in terms of the legal means, they have already lost. I think the Supreme Court judgment, I think around the 19 August 1983. Yeah, I can still remember 19 August 1983. So when I make that judgment,
1993.
No, 83.
1983. Sorry, 19 August. Yeah.
I can even read the judge as the verdict here. Me and Akbenyo. I can read this here for you.
Yeah.
If you're interested.
So,
yeah, I have them here.
83 years.
I can read it
here.
Well, continue. 1983 no.
That a three-court stage from Court of Appeal, he had to make another application to High Court, Supreme Court. The Supreme Court where appeal court is final. There's nothing they will touch. That is the final. So it was the favor of the Oba of Benin, the owner of the land. Eriya make a judgment in it. So ever since they were still, misbehaving. I think there was a time they misbehaved. Later on, they came to the palace and apologized, but they are still there. A matter now because for example, this a mat when hotel doge, when hotel do when we manage that all a matter no are Bible between or more ne eva bien yan he make a judgment no man ya mo when wa fian eva no bio mo no na wa ya fian eva na see I no money live so when ya jeni a ohian we no ria or ya gbia do kan tiria awago ivi zo yan kiregbe so hotel do duty ya ga House of Assembly ya lay complain. If whatever they are going to talk about this issue, they are still going to base on the judgment of that 1983.
Exactly.
That is the committee.
Rule of law.
Yeah.
Rule of law.
So, and what we are going to do with the Edo people, after that setting of the committee, we are going to tell them because a level, the Lagos state government, follow up every journal. Anything that concerns them, if they have any signboard at all, no, it concerns no carry a name of Rihanna, I will lay off your qua. Anything.
Here carry a ring my brother. Otodo Bami, community of Doni, and Akulia for the co. They were once dragging in Lagos, in that riverine body there. They drove them away in Lagos. Otodo Bami, Abiati Rani, Otodo Bami for Lagos. This same grabber so they were once there. As we speak now, they are still fighting in Ondo State. What it concerned by yes, people with Ondo.
So
eyes on. What is the problem?
A fighting now. We are still going to tell the state government that Mamagi onagi mi is your Amagi onagi mi amweze ni akpa imweze ni re. So the government should bring out the people from the government, no that will be looking into that river. Nivi journey and lie in because a rubbish in having words any. In fact, here are rumors of so a minia talola dian videos in make words any. All those are threat. That is just it. So in where they have already lost. Also, bring out those violence. So we are going to. I thank God this will tell you. Yangli work about when my where Akaji Kotirene, that's why they go to meet the government official and I complain my own. So, and another thing in Yabe, one cannot consign if you Joladian, if not one more, if you Joladian, make a video that my question is, a village in Akana, video in video, this is our village, a village in Augima. Whether in your wow abroad in Agio, this is my village.
Okay.
So okay. That is just it because
very majorly you go Bemenari. Bunwa de Odoni, go Bemenari Odoni, this Odoni, you go Bemenari. But I came a bowaji. Uwapa be bowaji Odo. The Maya Bowaye, Igwe Odoni. On a the problem and the boom. Maya Bowa is sick, Oedo. No Bajiva, Mana Abadoni Gogima. So most people no Igwe Odoni na, Uwe Doyaji. Do you understand? They are all situated around the capital city. Mayadwaji, and I want Badoni Gwe. Now, how do you say, Oriorina? This is where that they are now populating those regions. On the problem, I've already decided, even if I fix it, when I start doing my normal things after education, everything, I'm going to be doing, some past, as in, like, survey for these regions. I do it for ne, have a go back guy. This is what, as in, the necessary thing you can out right now. And we are do 80 million. Go ahead, Giovanni. We are to 100 million. O to Louis Guevodoni. Why are they level Tony? Yeah, why are they level Tony? Delo go back guy. In the next 20, 40, 50 years, time, whatever. A more, you understand? Uno, as in, you don't more. That way, we CQNA, a more who because I have a Darana, Evinia, we are Deloto. Yeah, Deloto. You understand? So, Even if about where you don't even check it well, but I mean, you don't know, I echo place a place in it because right now, Olobome or Kawani, you see right now we don't have issues much with the Shekiri people because why? Here we are only integrate. We have no problem with that. When I get the Benin Kingdom, the Shekiris were one of us. When I get Benin Kingdom, the Robos were one of us. These are Idu ancestries. These are ancestral people to the land. So Ijos are not ancestral to us. We don't know them. They don't belong in the cycle. You understand? So when I hear opportunity in Yana, they automatically our brothers. No get data to do like the Ikas, the Robos, the Shekiris. They will give them kingdom too and give them political relevance. It is equal. It's a fair, it's a fair game. It's a fair game. It's simple. I'm giving you political relevance. So these are the complaints that we are complaining. Everything is not politics. I cannot use authority. Yeah. Politics.
And talking of a might well talk of this Ijo should integrate into where this kind of people will not integrate to where a mission here they are not ready to be part of the Benin Kingdom. They are just trying to cede that land to themselves so that time created their whether state they are not willing to be even integrated into the Edo state government or
otherwise.
So only one never where integrate into where are they ready to do that? And never part of government because they will do undo. Oh, that's just it.
Okay. Big. I mean, they send you a request to, but I don't know why you not let do. You know, so I don't know because you can send a request. I don't know why. Maybe something. Maybe they restrict your account or for something. I don't know. I don't know the reason why. The next person that should be. I don't know. Is it natural man? Are you there? Oh,
good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Wait, now, with a particular community in Ondo State. So Ondo, Edo, and Delta, we are having clashes with the Ijo people. Now, let us exclude these people and come down to where we are. The main topic or the main focus, which is Edo or Benin in particular. Okay? Now, what do you have to say to that before my sister gives an answer to it? Is it okay for them to install a traditional stool when they know very well that this place has been assigned or designated to a particular people? Do they have the authority to designate or to make or to create a traditional stool in that region or not? I just want to be clear on that. So when you let me know, then my sister at the top can also give you a personal, whatever, I don't know. Okay, so that's
if you want me to answer, because me, I'm answering based on legal terms.
Legal, the legal, exactly.
The legal terms.
Do they have the legal right to install the traditional stool there? That's the answer. Just give an answer to that.
No.
Okay.
I will go back to me. Anything anyone asks me, I go back to that same judgment.
Good.
Because whatever thing you need to do, because if you are going to take a judgment, the judgment will spell out based on the things you ask the court to do for you. So if you want the court to give you cow, I'm just doing an example, antelope, everything, you have to pray all of those things. From the moment the court expressly states this and this and this are what you need to do, and do not put certain things inside, if you interpret it to expand it, it becomes another thing altogether. So if you say those rights exist, this is how they need to do it. Since every right emanates from that court judgment, we have to go back to that same judgment and see the extent to which they say exercise your right.
From what you have seen, is it?
I cannot, that's why I'm saying that since 1983 till now, if it has been becoming an issue, I think the best thing to do is that they have to take that same judgment, because the Supreme Court, they also have that power to say this is the meaning of our judgment and this is how it should go. They should take it there. And
from the customary part which you highlighted, you say customary rights. Okay,
that is what the Supreme Court said.
What does
now
that mean?
That's what the Supreme Court said. That's why I'm telling you that if you tell somebody to say you can do this, you are
Sir, it's like
your
you
title.
are rigmaroling. Wait, sir, wait.
I'm not rigmaroling because you want me to give interpretation.
Wait, sir,
you want me to interpret the judgment, and which I'm not going to do because
sir, wait.
I am
Let's
not
be
the
more.
Supreme Court.
I'm coming. Wait. Let's be more. Is it pragmatic or what? I don't know the English to use properly. I'm coming now. Listen. Okay, wait. I'm coming. Listen.
Okay.
Now you made it very clear. Okay, I heard you clearly. You went to read it because you see we are talking now like no, at least man to man. You made it very clear. This place was assigned. Let us use the word assigned. Like, okay, now me get this area, but the people where they here, just coexist with them. Okay? But now I understand, okay, I'll feel coexist with them. But you now, upon the fixed traditional leader for inside there like kings, is it possible for land to be said my own way, say, I want to coexist with you, but more you all they live together? Is it okay?
Sorry, take it again. Sorry.
Okay, because I'm trying to break it down to the pidgin way now. Because more they understand about this, because let's do the grammar part of it. Now, let me say this plot of land now belongs to me. We went to court, me and you went to court, okay? You the draw, me and the donor. We went to court. Now, there was a verdict, and the verdict stipulates that this parcel of community or land, whatever, belongs to me. But because we are now in a federal republic, you and your people cannot be evicted. Okay? No problem. Let us coexist together. But this place belongs to me. All right? And there is a traditional head there, which the verdict, okay, was, as it was given to, like, now you get this place, which is the Oba of Benin. Now you get them. It was made like that. Okay? I don't see people saying that government get her. If the government gets her, then that verdict would have been null and void, because if not work, it's okay. There is plenty for this case. The country belongs to the federal.
That's why they said customary.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you. Now we are going now. Now wait, they say you don't know now. Say now, me get this land now. Is it okay for you, for example, now living in that region, to put or install a traditional head there? That is my question.
That is what me I'm still telling you.
No, don't give me a plain answer. Yes or no?
No, I cannot. We are not in a court now. Now we now only was for court. The tell say yes and
indict
no.
Yourself. Meaning you don't want to indict yourself, right? Isn't it?
Why will I? You are forcing me to interpret the Supreme Court judgment, which I'm not in a position to interpret.
You can speak.
I'm just saying what they have said. If they have given you a right and they still tell the rapper that they can coexist without taking up their own customary right, they will be coexisting like that and be also doing their custom, because they will still not the same right to tell them that they have a right to practice their religion and everything. Like, is it not so?
You see that
someone is also speaking to a woman. You can also listen to her.
I want to talk to you like a woman, no, because my brother is talking to you like man to man. Me, I know as women won't be, but I will talk to you like a woman. I'm sorry, sir. Let me apologize in advance.
No, I better go. If you want to attack me in a way, no,
I don't want to attack you, but you get the way
apologize.
They use your lawyer sense, they use your logic, they try one attack, but then not they see the fishy foul play where they play for this your talk. But I understand where you they go. I say ex-military person now where I be as well. I won't use and talk to you. Are you getting me? You make a reference that is very, very annoying. Very, very honestly. Now you they tell me, say, I go based on military. Say, if I hold gun now, I dare my territory. Then they come tell me, say, I beg, I won't give you these people. May you help me look after for this your territory. With my own AK-47 now. Then you are not telling me those people where I they field. Why they look after you? They now tell me, say now those people now go come. They tell me now how they want to live for my own territory. Is that what you are saying? No, it's not. See, come. I know you don't want to.
Comparison you are making is not.
I'm not compare. Don't even play that foul play with me. I'm not doing that comparison. I'm not. Please, don't even go there.
It's okay. It's no problem.
This is not comparison.
This thing we all of us we are saying on the social media and all those things. The Supreme Court has not been dogged.
Mr. Natural, on that judgment, How did they address the Ijaw people? Were they
You
aborigines or
come to my
settlers?
house. You are telling me that they
That's
gave them.
their question, Mr. Natural Man. In that Supreme Court judgment, were they addressed as aborigines of that land or settlers or tenants?
Ah, God.
That was
mister.
not an issue. They only talked about who owns the land.
Should I read it for you?
That is the issue.
No,
before
sir.
the
Should I read it for you?
Yeah, you can read now.
Okay, thank you. I love this. Let me read it because I can read. You went online to read yours, so let me read mine. I think it's more better so we understand ourselves. They can correlate together. So let me go. I'm coming. Let me check it out. Okay, wait. This one don't do too hold. Wait, I'm coming. Wait. Okay. It said on the 19th. So you listen, oh. On the 19th August 1983, the Supreme Court in unanimous whatever judgment dismissed the appeal of the judges in Giligili land in Benin division. The disputed claim because an old document I've been not verse because the thing this one blurry, so not verse. I made that thing with mistakes. The disputed claim. Wait. No worry. Just last. The disputed claim for title which has been on over the years. The judges, the appellants, appealed against the judgment of the Federal Court of Appeal, declaring title in Gelegele land in Benin division in the Benin Wortoworto village. You listen, no, in the Benin Wortoworto village. That they come there later. Community on the 16th December 1981. In the Supreme Court, the appellant counsel of Fuya something, please not be a name, so it's as in somebody I don't know, filed 8 grounds of appeal against the Federal Court of Appeal. Judgment by motion filed by Okeanya Ine something, okay? Then so Esquire objecting to 9 out of the 8 grounds of appeal in the Supreme Court were as it were struck out. He said in reply to the remaining grounds of appeal contended by the appellant, you see it is struck out, okay? He said by the appellant by the Supreme Court unanimously, okay, upheld the submission and reply by Chief F.R.O. Williams, leading KS Okeanya Ine whatever Esquire for the Wortoworto village community. The appellant appeal was dismissed with 300 naira then, okay? That was then, caused through the respondent and the decision of the Federal Court of Appeal. Is it offend or something? I don't care. Yeah, offend. Sorry, the writing don't too old. The day here, you don't too old. So one of the presiding judges who heard the appeal in June 1983, that is Honorable Justice Sia Idigbe, had in fact handed over his own writing judgment to the other panel of judges. Or sorry, is it judges or judgment? Of judges or something, okay? Which, as in weeks ago, were unfortunately met with death. Okay. So now, sir, you have seen, said the subject is that he just lost Giligili land appeal to Benin in the Supreme Court. So, sir, from this one is here. We also have another document. Okay? Another one is there. So you listen. He said, inquiry into ownership of the land in Giligili. I, as directed to refer to your letter number 3/19/1/69 of 4th November, okay, 1969, on behalf of the entire inhabitants of Wortoworto village in Benin, West Division, in respect of the above mentioned, subject and to communicate to you the substance of administration inquiry into Giligili Wortoworto land disputes. He said it is the next paragraph is it is obvious from the findings of the Ministry of Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs that the land in Giligili belongs to the Benin's and not the Jaws. It is here. It is here, sir. It is here. I just stated it now. And this one is from Military Government Office. Government House Division, PMB. This is it what? Which is this one? Midwest Region State or whatever, as the case may be. I just made it very clear, sir. Okay, I'll continue. Belongs to the Benin and not the Jaws. Settling there now. Settling there now. The Jaws. Settling there now. Okay? Apart from the historical fact in evidence, a spokesman on behalf of the Jaws at the inquiry said, inter-alliance or whatever, these people, the Jaws, got the permission of the Oba of Benin to settle in the area many hundreds of years ago. You heard it, sir. Permission of the Oba. Permission, sir. This is the court judgment. Permission.
No, this second one you are reading
Sir, wait now. It is here.
it's not a court judgment.
No, wait. I can post it here for you
Differentiate
to read. Do you want it? I can post it
differentiate.
here.
That one is an outcome of an inquiry. We are talking
Sir,
about
excuse me. This, see,
whatever
it was
they are
after.
talking is
See, sir, listen. We have made it clear. You read it already. This is their decision, their verdict. It is clear enough. Do you understand? It is clear enough, sir. It is boldly written. It is only as it's online. It is not an hidden truth. It's an open fact, undisputed fact. I'm only reading it for you. So if we are the owners of the land, the judge got permission from the Oba of Benin. When I'm fighting for my land, am I doing it in the wrong way? Do you understand me? I understand that you're a lawyer. You will defend your people. I feel even by person, not as an injured person. Maybe to you. You can defend me. You understand? You can defend me. It is your job. So you yourself, you know definitely in your heart that what your people are doing in Gelegele is wrong. So why all this fight? We told them that you can integrate with us, but installing a traditional stool is void. It's not possible. We installed one there. They fought. You know, when as if there was nobody there, they brought militants from all walks of life or whatever to buy many people there. Do you know how many times that these people have attacked Edo people there? How many have we attacked there? Recently, somebody went to Ugoton, not even Gelegele. So some of our brothers went to Ugoton just to meet the head of that clan there, because all the clans there in Edo South in particular, they are all being appointed by the Oba of Benin, which is the emperor, which we know. Now, they went to see one of the traditional head there, which is Ojonwe in Ugoton, not even Gelegele. But Gelegele is a frontier. It's a water side of Ugoton. So whoever presides over Ugoton presides over Gelegele. Now, when some of our brothers went there just to meet this man, this Ojonwe, okay, Baba Wafa, what is going on around this place? So the man made some complaints. Because he's the head, he knows his title as the Ojonwe of Ugoton and Gelegele. Just for that pronouncement, your brothers from Gelegele came out and started threatening brimstone and fire. Now listen to what your people said. Just listen. So you see if this is friendly or is an hostile manner to talk to people, because of which it's not good. Where is this thing? Where? Okay. See here. Okay, the visitors are here. Now see what thing person they talk.
Because I fell Amos or water.
And who is the Amos? Amos is the Ojonwe, the traditional title holder there, installed by the Oba of Benin. Listen.
If I fire go bomb Benin because I fell Amos or water, you want give warning to Amos for water community. No fair our trouble. The governor of Edo State. Call Amos for water community. Go your palace. Go one and selling Gelegele people before fire go bomb Benin because I fell Amos or water. Now one when I get for Amos with that.
Okay. Now, this man called Amos now, according to them, the man never threatened them like we are coming to bring war. Just because he pronounced that he is the Ojonwe, the traditional head for that region, appointed by the Oba of Benin. In Ugoton and Gelegele, this is why all this wahala dey. Now, that's one. Number two, another woman called herself Mabel as the women leader of Gelegele, according to them. It is not even Gelegele now. They have not changed it. You can see the Supreme Court judgment said Gelegele Ugoton. Now, they have not transferred it or changed the name from Gelegele to Gelegele Ekpenede. This is the new name. They have named that region. The same people you say that they are friendly to us. Your people, go to online. Yes, it's called Gelegele Ekpenede. Gelegele Benin. Now the new name now. Inside there, now they can't get Oladiama, whatever kingdom. They now install the pere and you say me another verse. Listen to an enjoy woman.
Stop people trouble. We need to scatter. My name is Nebe Wiri. This Gelegele community, we don't get our dream with it. Now Marcos where we get. I'm a Benson. The Bini people, Amos, so the warriors make it war himself. You know, if you war Gelegele, Gelegele na peace we day. We don't want find trouble. Make it not find job people trouble. If you useless man, if you find our job people trouble, we need to scatter.
Okay.
Make it just with the bad government. Make it the help us. That Amos, make it the one that we don't want trouble.
God.
Make it the follow must stop. Make it leave Gelegele low. If there's anything we see, it will be better.
So, Mr. Lawyer, you have heard what people are saying. Now, how can we coexist with people like this? Mr. Lawyer, before I move to my next person, how can we coexist, Mr. Natural Man? How can we coexist with people like this? How? Natural Man, mute now. Just tell us, how can we coexist with people like this? Okay. Lovette, you're up there. Speak.
Oh, Epadomo, now good evening.
Thank you.
Mr. Lawyer, well done, sir. Let me speak broken English so that you help me take this message to your people, sir. First of all, I want to ask you a question. Thank God you heard the message now our brother read to you. That even after the court said that the land belongs to the Benins, they asked our Oba for permission to stay, which was granted.
Okay.
Fine.
It means we want to coexist.
And they want to coexist, which their permission was granted.
I will still play a video from a palace saying that we can exist with you people. I will play a video here now.
Oga Lawyer, I want to ask you, you being a landlord, let me say you are a landlord of a house. Then I come to ask you for just permission to stay your house for few time. And you grant it. Then as time goes on, I will start laying claim on your own house. Will you be happy, sir? Will you grant that kind of request? Will you keep quiet for me to claim your house from you?
Okay.
That one aside, then I want to leave you with this, sir. With that, to those people that was just talking from the video I heard. Now, this is the only account I have. I don't hide my face. Help me tell your people that, however, whenever, wherever they need this word, they should send us message. Our men will still send you message. I am talking on behalf of the women. Do you know what they call Oyegbe? Because you guys have washed your hand to the neck. Come and eat with us. You just wash your hand to the neck. We are going to trim off those hands. Did you hear your women speaking? Eat the and then they scatter. Guy, una go run 440. Not be saying a mouth. No run past my father ass. I not go lawyer school where they speak pidgin and make for clear. Help me take this message to that old woman that was talking. Tell her say she go collect waiting not good for the state. Not be saying a mouth. She go run past her father ass. Because it's becoming too much.
Listen to my palace. Listen, Mr. Natural Man, I better wait. Listen. Maybe in case now see through maturity. Listen to palace issues, okay?
On the recent issue rocking the Joy and Shakiri community against the palace of the Benin monarch over acres of land in Gelegele Seaport, chairman of the ex-agitators, Comrade Pere Ejune, explained that the Ijos cannot contend with the authority of the Oba of Benin, while dissociating themselves from the unwholesome act of using issue of ownership of Gelegele Seaport to incite violence against the Oba of Benin and his kingdom. They condemned in strong terms the perpetrators of such acts and appealed to the Oba of Benin to accommodate the Ijos and the Shakiri people, as according to him, he is the most revered king across the Niger Delta.
We, the South-South Coalition Group, Leadership Group, condemn those young men that are trying to cause a problem between the Benins and the Ijos.
Other members of the group, Comrade Charles Godfrey and Richard Ajakaye, refuted claims that the Ijos dominating the riverine areas plan to invade the palace and lands belonging to the state, pointing out that they are only soliciting for the developmental projects, how issues on unemployment and insecurity in their community can be addressed by the state government.
One particular area we are trying to stress is the area where insecurity is rife. Kidnapping has become the order of the day, where hoodlums hibernate. They hibernate in this coastal area of the Shekiris and the Ijaw-speaking areas. We want the security operatives to put structures on ground.
If here is a state and we, the riverine area people, the Shekiri, the Ijaw, the Robo, stay in the land, then all give us power to claim this land for our own.
Palace representatives, the Essay of Benin, Chief Stanley Obamoyi, the Oyoba of Benin, Chief Ogafua Ogemese, and the Palace Secretary, Frank Irabo, while responding to the appeal at the Palace of the Oba of Benin, said the Oba will accommodate them. They said that the Gelegele Seaport project is for the benefit of those in the riverine areas and advised them to respect constituted authorities.
Our Oba is completely detribalized. You all know that. They want to see that everybody progresses. Whether you are Ishano, whether you are Femayo, or whatever, whether you are Joe, whether you are Shekido, they want to see everybody bloom. You can't bet with Almighty God. You cannot bet with Oba of Benin.
Just an advice. This time, not only to the Jaws or to the Shakiris, to all ethnic groups living in Edo State. They should learn to respect instituted authority.
Adesuwa Irinohai reporting.
Now you heard it. So did we say we are going to accommodate them? Yes. From the statement, he said the Oba is the tribalist. I say he's not a tribalistic person. We can accommodate people. But see the way we take talk. Now you see the way we talk. We go by Benin, we go. I don't understand. Like, check the two and balance it. Who is more aggressive here? The tenants are aggressive. The owners are not. Then when I speak today, someone will say, "Why am I being aggressive? Why am I being angry?"
No, they can't cut last pass.
You don't understand? It don't make sense. You be lawyer, deep down in your heart. Look the two, balance them. Who they aggressive here? Who is more aggressive?
You know saying that this kind of thing now Jesse people do years ago. You know what happened to the Jesse now? Galoya. When they rank here, here matana. Now only one community. Now you do that one to the Jesses.
Mommy, that way didn't even a man because I was expecting him to answer according to the lawyer you said you are. I did yes, I did listing. The host here asked you a question. It was a simple question. He said, according to the customary law, of that Gelegele land between the Edos and the Ijos, does it permit them to also get their own stool inside Edo to create a sheath? And you couldn't give an answer. You said that if
that they have to go back again to contest again.
Yes,
if they have the right to do that.
So I'm coming.
Then
I was expecting him to answer in a way.
Do they have the right to cheat? Does he go court again?
I'm coming. I want to answer that question because